Hello friends, in this video you will be learn how to create a menu system. Okay, so menu system is the main part of, is the heart of application. So I will show you here what we are going to develop, how we are going to develop and what menu system we are going to develop. Like first one is the data, search, reports, utility and exit. And you can see here it is a sub menu of data is contact entry, sub menu of search is name wise search, mail, mobile, city wise search, reports, all that we had already discussed. You can see here I had discussed in my previous video. Okay, so let's begin. I am going to launch this Visual Foxpro, and you can see in my here in my Explorer VFP project is I had created a contact project. Okay, so I will see what is my current structure. Current default directory is C drive, so I will going to change this. Okay, now you can see my current folder is now set VFP project contact project. See, this is my current. Okay, so here we are going to create a first menu system. Okay, so how you are going to create a, just write down modify menu and write down your contact project menu. Okay, or you can write down contact menu or only a contact menu. Okay, so I had written contact menu. See this, it is asking you what it's a menu or a shortcut. I click on a menu. Okay, just click on a menu and right click on a under a menu, just click on quick menu and see this preview. You can see this is all default Foxpro Visual Foxpro menu is now ready to use. Okay, now I don't want this. Okay, just I want to going to delete this. Delete, I don't want this. Okay, delete it. And okay, 1 minute. Okay, let's delete it. And here this is the view tools. Okay, help. Okay, now I'm going to insert a new, click here and write down data and sub menu, click on a is the sub menu and create, click, and then just write down contact data. Okay, and here you will be select it command and do here do form contact form. Okay, just write down only contact. Okay, and if you want to do this any shortcut key you can do it this way, you can assign here, but I don't want to do it now. Okay, in the next project we'll go more deeply. Okay, so inside data we had created a menu. Now I'm going to delete this also. Okay, data, tools, I don't want tools. Okay, programs, I don't want programs also. Yeah, windows and help I will keep it as it is. Now our next menu is report, search. Okay, see this search, first I had created a data. Now I'm going to create a search sub menu, create it, and here I will be create like name command do search name. Okay, and here name email command do search email. Okay, now see this preview how it is looking. Okay, edit is as it is, copy paste it should be available in a menu, that's why I keep as it is edit. Okay, or I will be change that name. You can just see the preview. Data, contact data, window and search is the name and email. Okay, now once first I will let me complete this one. Name, email, then I will select mobile, do search mobile. Okay, why I'm writing, you can see how I'm structuring my code, like do sorry, I forget to write down do form. Okay, do form. I don't want to do the coding of PRG, like, okay, I will do the form like a 100% visual based application. So do form search name, do form search email, srch, don't write complete. Okay, and always remember, basically file name is what, always remember, by default file name is running in Windows environment is 8.3. now you can use n number of like 128 character also, but basically originally file name is 8.3. in sense first one is your primary name of file and 3 for your file extension, right? So that I prefer to minimize the name of file. Okay, so name, email, mobile and city, and here is the city. Command do form search city. Okay, done. Now I will move to main and I will keep this search after a data. Now I want to create another menu after a search. What is that? Reports. So I will create a report sub menu, create. Now option is what? Contact list all. Contact list all. Okay, command do form rpt. Okay, rpt contact all. Okay, this way. And then after, what is the next? Address label all. Address label all. Command do form rpt contact label all. Okay, so that will be a list and this will be a contact label. Okay, and here is selected city contact list. Selected city contact list. Okay, so here it will be a do form rpt contact city. Okay, now next one is label. So I will see selected. Now see this, what will happen if I will write down again selected city this fashion. See this, what will be happen, this s is underline of 2 times s will be created. So don't do this way, like see this, c is underline, a is underline, this will be shortcut. Okay, how? Suppose is r, alter r, if I press, this report will be get activate, and afterwards c, if I click c, if I type c, then contact list will be executed. Now it is 2 times underscore s should not be come, so that's why I prefer this way. City, selected city contact label. Okay, so here I will be do this underscore l. Now you can see here reports underscore l is created. Okay, now next one is what? Married unmarried list. The unique underline character should become, this will be help you to trigger that particular option. Married unmarried list. Command, and I forget here to write down the command, do form, if, and I forget write down here form and rpt contact city lbl. Okay, and here it will be a do form married married list. Okay, married and unmarried, if I write down married, okay, married list only. Okay, and particular contact address label. Particular contact address label, just write down do particular label. Okay, so you can see in preview edit is as it is coming, because I want undo, redo, cut, copy, all, find, place, all this I want. Okay, I will modify that thing also, I will show you. And view Okay, sorry, in a preview you can see is okay, 1 minute. Data, you can see the contact data, search, name, email, mobile, city, and in reports you can see contact list all, address label all, and you just mind it here. You can see just concentrate here, underline C, A is underline S. Okay, here is L is underlined, here is the married unmarried, M is underlined. If you click here, no, it will show you what the prompt is, married, and previewing the contact menu and do form. Okay, so what will be, we are going to do, we're going to do the do form. Okay, so again I'm clicking on a preview to explain you. See this does not look good. How we can achieve one of the good way here? Just write down, just click it on a next and click on select. Okay, and here I will be just create this way bar. Now see this line is created, contact list, and one line is created. This way you have to be create after each and every this menu. See this how I created. See this bar this way. You can see the preview. See this contact all, address label all. This will look decent. Okay, so again insert a bar, or sorry, if I click here insert, then I create here bar. Again I click just below of selected city. Now I'm clicking on a insert, just do this way bar. Again, now I'm clicking on a last one, click it on a insert, and I click it on this way, and here is the bar. Okay, now you can see the preview, my dear friends. See this contact, and it is look more better than previous. Okay, now we go switch our cursor to the menu bar and move the reports just after the search. Okay, and just change here, and now I'm going to modify the default edit system of this. Okay, so how I'm going to modify, just write down update cursor movement, or I can say cursor. Okay, yeah, okay, like just write out cursor only. Edit, if I say undo, redo, select all. Okay, fine, and I don't want these are all. Okay, bookmarks and all. What I will be do now, see this, I will be delete from here, delete, 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 and delete. Now you can see preview, cursor, undo, redo, cut, copy, select all. So these are all functionality will be get activated. Okay, so data, search. In search also we have to do this. Go again to the menu, this is on menu bar, search, click on edit. Okay, click on edit. 1 minute, if it is possible to increase the font size. No. Okay, now click on a search, then go to edit and do it same treatment. Just click on a next option and click on a insert. See this, and here select the bar. Now click on a mobile, click on insert. See this way, and select here bar. Now click on a city, click on a bar, and here bar, preview. See this search is option. Now it's also look good, name, email, mobile, city. Okay, so in this way I had created a menu system. Now how I can be generate this, how this will be helpful for me. Now one more thing we have to check it up here, Windows Cascade, this will all win. Okay, now I don't want this command window data session. When our application should be when our application going to run, then command window is not useful. Data session, we don't want to show our user what is data session is going on. Okay, and properties windows we don't want to show to our user, right? So again, modify this window menu and just delete after this cycle button. Okay, why I am keeping this cascade and hide all? Why? Because it may be not required that much, but we should use this, because somewhere if I want to show the two three kind of windows or a form at a time, then cascading all, hide, show all, clear, recycle, that will be very much useful. Okay, and you should aware of that. Now here in help menu will be change again. Switch to menu bar, main menu bar, right click on a help and go ahead edit. Now here will be delete all this. Okay, we don't want this. Just click on a about contact management, about contact management system, contact management system, and click here on a sub menu. Okay, not sorry, sub menu command. Okay, just write down do form about cont. Okay, yeah, or you can write okay about form. Okay, about the contact. And now in the next, if you want to show them a help kind of menu, okay, so write down here help. Okay, help, and here it will be a command do form help contact. Okay, so here you can see now inside the help about the contact management system help. Okay, and here windows is get modify, reports, search, data, and is the cursor movement I had kept it up. Okay, so here now my all menu system is get ready. Now I am going to generate this. Click on a menu and click on a generate button, and you just click on yes. You can see MPR will be get generated, D drive, VFP project, cont project, and generated. Okay, you now switch to our what we can in Explorer. 1 minute. In Explorer we just go to Explorer. Okay, see this MPR is get created. Okay, so we come back here again in Visual Foxpro and we close this menu. Now you can see this modify command contact menu dot MPR. You can see this. Okay, this is the first 1126. Okay, this menu is declare and get generated. Okay, now see this, if I execute this directly, contact menu dot MPR. Okay, here will be any one problem. I found some problem. Okay, this is my bad. I had written not do, I had written a DI. Okay, that's why it is shown a problem. Okay, now run. Okay, again you just see this. 1 minute. If I want to get my system menu again, so just write down to get a Visual Foxpro system menu again, just write down system menu to default. Okay, now you can see your default Foxpro menu will be get appear. Now I want to change this. Okay, like 18. Okay, now you can see why this error is coming. Okay, we'll run again. I think so here, yeah, this is the problem. I had written a wrong again form. Okay, that's why. Now see this contact form, now it is get loaded. See this data. Okay, reports, help. Okay, now why it is? Because now this exe is running, exe is not running. That's where we can see this like a format option and this option. While we execute with the exe, then this some option will be get write off from here. Okay, now suppose if I click here on contact data, now it is asking you where is your contact.scx. I think so you understand. If I click on a name, it is asking you where is your search name.scx file. If I click on a help, it is asking you where is your help dot. Now this our system is get ready. Now you, if you want turn it on your Visual Foxpro default menu system, this is the command, don't forget it, set sys menu to default. Now you can see here your Visual Foxpro default menu is appear again. I think so my dear friends, you understood how to create a menu system, like a system generated menu system. Okay, just see here, nobody will tell this is the custom menu. This is like a, this will be behave like a Visual Foxpro native menu system, right? So we had modified that file. Okay, so how to get it, just create a, how we get it that file, how we created a menu, modify menu, and this is the name. And afterwards while I created, if I modify anything in here, I have to do what, menu generate again. Don't forget to generate it, then new MPR will be get generated. Okay, in the next session you will be learn, in the next session you will be learn how to get that MPR file. And suppose if I run here, do MPR, this command window I don't want to see again, then how to just embed, copy all your MPR code into PRG file. Okay, and make it in loop. Okay, so that I will be teach you. Okay, in a next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you.